The last week of the Signals group or the BLW trading room is over. The last week of the year. So we're finished for 2020. And I thought that it would be super appropriate to give you my weekly or our weekly results in this specific video. And more importantly, I have an upgrade that will actually start taking place since Monday. And I want to share it with you because I believe that this was one of the biggest parts of being part of the BLW trading room and something that you were looking for, and therefore we included it. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the BLW trading room and we're gonna see our weekly results. I'm gonna explain you what it is and how you can make money with it. And more importantly, I'm gonna announce an upgrade that we have available for starting off this next Monday. Well, at the time that you're watching this video, it's actually on Monday, so you should definitely stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone. So we need to start with the most important question, and that is, what is the BLW trading room, in case you're not familiar with it. So therefore, I have the website right here, blwtradingroom.com, and the link is in the description of this video. Now, before I actually explain you exactly what it is, I just want to remind you that as of right now, you get the BLW Trading Academy 100% free at the time that you get any access to the BLW Trading Room. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Now, the BLW Trading Room is basically a website that I started about 4 years ago, where we provide with signals and we help you exactly, like telling you exactly where you need to enter every single trade. So we basically gather a group of expert traders that will do the analysis for you and then send it to you so that you can start making money and start placing your trades. You can go and visit the website in order to understand how it is. We've been online for over 4 years now, and we send over 400 signals every single week in order to keep you making money every single day. So you should definitely check that out. Now, what are the benefits of the actual BLW trading room is actually super cool. This is what the website looks like in the inside. So what you are able to see is signals for a 5-minute, this is based on the 2-minute strategy, 5-minute signals for binary options, then regular binary option signals, which are 15, 30-minute expiration time, and also Forex signals so that you can place trades with Forex as well. These are the actual signal tags that you can find with the indication, take profit, stop loss, and so on and so on. And this is the signals part. In addition, you have access to a forum. This is a BLW forum where you can get many questions on, right here, as to brokers, in regards to Forex, in regards to the 2-minute strategy, in regards to the signals room, and so on. So you can basically have access to like a bunch of topics that are available out there, not specifically started by me, but by other users that might be on your interest. In the end, you might be looking for different topics to talk about, or you can even start your own topic inside of the forum and get answers and experiences from everybody else. In addition, as well, we have the webinar section. In the webinar section, you will be able to find some webinars that I have conducted myself. One that Deep actually conducted. He's one of the admins for Forex and binary options. And basically what we do here is that we try to teach you and train you in regards to day trading, so that it's not just about following signals, but you also get the education that you need. So that is actually included as well. Now, one thing that it's actually outdated, but it's really cool if you can take a look at it, is actually the BLW podcast. I started uploading some podcasts and sharing some motivational podcasts so that you can actually learn something new as well. But I actually stopped. I don't really have the time right now, but I'm going to continue once I can uploading a podcast that you can have. But there are 3 already included in there, and you can take a look at all the comments right here. People are extremely happy with the content of it. And last but not least, you can actually download the BLW master plan so that you can control your trades. This is a whole different video that I can make in regards to this specific topic, but just so you know. Now, let's go ahead and jump and see what are the results of the actual week. I actually got the report this morning, and it's time for us to update you in regards to it. So we're gonna start with the 5-minute room. There you go. And the 5-minute room, basically we had an overall, let me just go ahead and zoom it in. There you go. That way you can look at it better. We had a total of 73.4% overall in regards to the signals, and we have 4 admins now. Remember that we have a new admin for the 5-minute room, and we have 75% on this one with 44 trades, which is outstanding, right? 75%. It's a lot of money if you follow all of them. And the cool thing is that these admins actually have just one fixed schedule for 3 hours. So if you just follow one of them, you're gonna be profitable no matter what. So that's actually something really cool. Then we have Marcel with 74.2% with a total of 31 signals. Awesome job. Then we have Harry with 72.5%. And then we have Lester with 70.8% in the money rate as well, which gives us a total of 73.4%. But this is the coolest part. 139 signals were sent in this specific trading room just this week. So it's impossible that you didn't make money with it. So that's a thumbs up for the 5-minute room. Then we could jump into the binary room. And in the binary room, obviously we have less signals. We have a total of, 49 signals, and we have as a leader dip with 76.9% in the money. He also sends Forex. Then we have Lester with 73.3% in the money. Then we have Prezat with 66.7% in the money. Prezat also sends signals in Forex trading, so that's a big thumbs up for Prezat. A total of 71.4% in the money, and if you follow those trades, 71%, it's really profitable with binary options depending on the broker that you're using. So again, thumbs up for the admins. And with Forex, we're not gonna measure the accuracy, but we're gonna measure the amount of pips. And the amount of pips is the following. Prezat with a total of 210 pips in profit. That is actually 343 that were in profit, minus 133 pips that we lost with his signals, a total of 210 pips. Then we have Dib with 251, 131 pips in profit, and 120 pips in profit overall. 131 in loss, I'm sorry. Then we have Malik with 160 pips in profit, minus 80 pips that he lost. That's a total of 80 pips. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind is that the admins have been instructed to give a good risk reward ratio. That way, even if you have 100 pips lost and 100 pips won, that brings you to a 2.0 or 3.0 risk reward in percentage. I'm not gonna dig right deeper into this topic in regards to risk reward, but there are videos in my YouTube channel where I explain you exactly why risk reward ratio is the most important thing in Forex. So these are the overall numbers. Hope you were really excited about these specific numbers. We sent a total signals of 212 signals this week, and we just stopped. And this is the last week of the year. We're not gonna trade during this week because it's Christmas week. And we know how markets actually, some of them close early, and the ones that remain open are completely crazy. So we're not gonna risk your money into it. I hope you understand. This is actually for your own good. And also because admins need a small vacation, a couple of weeks of vacation, because they don't really have days off during the entire year. So hopefully you can leave some words for them, motivating words in the comment section below. Now it's actually time for me to talk about the new upgrades in regards to the BLW trading room. And the first upgrade is, or the main important upgrade in this week is that the chat rooms are back. So if you go into Forex signals right now, The signals are in this area and the chat room is in this area, which is amazing. I was the one who actually recommended that this would happen. And the reason why is because I know you guys love the interaction that you have with other people in the chat room. And yes, we had another chat room, but it wasn't working quite as good as this one that we used to have before. And therefore we implemented the chat room again. Just remember to follow the rules, be respectful, and more importantly, don't spam. Otherwise you will be banned forever from the chat. You will be able to follow the signals, but not being part of the chat. So as long as you are a respectful human being, there's not gonna be any problem whatsoever. But these are the awesome news of the week. Check. This is for Forex. These are the binary signals and also the chat room. And we're also gonna have 5-minute signals just right here in the discussion room. So this is one amazing upgrade. In addition, I just want to let you guys know up front that during these couple of weeks, we're going to have a few trainings with the admins so that we fully understand and we are even more in line for 2021 when it comes to the way of sending signals. That's going to be for the 5-minute room so that everybody follows all of the same patterns in regards to these signals, and that way we can have even better results. And second of all, when it comes to Forex, we're gonna continue measuring the accuracy of the signals with pips, but we're also going to include a risk reward ratio report. That way, look, there are many Forex groups in the world and they're like, hey, yeah, 400 pips, 500 pips, 500 pips again, and so on, but they don't really share what's the risk reward that they're putting into every trade. So that means that, for instance, you can have one trade that 20 pips in profit and 40 pips in stop loss, and it hits the stop loss. Then you have another trade of 100 pips in profit, but 300 pips in stop loss. And therefore, when you do the math, you're gonna have 60 pips in profit, right? But if you go to the risk reward, you're gonna have made around 1%, if lucky, 1% on the winning trade and lose 2% on the loss trade. So therefore, you're gonna be in minus 1% on your account. And I know I'm talking about a lot of math things, and I promise you I'm gonna make more tutorials in regards to it. But just keep in mind that I'm doing this so that we can be the most profitable trading group in the world. And therefore, I'm putting a lot of effort as to the way we're gonna measure the signals that we're sending to the users of the BLW trading room. And I promise that 2021 is gonna be full of new trainings in regards to Forex so that you make more money out of it. So I hope that really makes sense. And last thing that I wanted to cover in this specific video is how you can join the BLW trading room in case you're interested in this specific community. And all you need to do is go to blwtradingroom.com, and below you will find a price chart. This price chart is basically for your choice. You can get a $29.99 plan that is 1 month. You can get $149.99, which is 6 months, or $238.99, which is for the entire year. All of these plans renew automatically, okay? So keep that in mind, because I get a lot of emails saying, hey, you're a scammer because you deducted $29 from my account. Look, for $29, I'm not gonna become a scammer, 1. And 2, the terms and conditions are specifically mentioning that every single month is going to be rebilled. So if you want to cancel it, you need to do it before the end of the actual month. But it's really up to you if you want to cancel it, you don't like it or whatever, it's really up to you. But it is automatic, so keep that in mind. And this is how you join. You just click on the Get Access Now, and you will be redirected to the registration page. You register, you create your own account, your own username, your own password. And then once you're done, you just can make the payment. You can pay through PayPal, debit or credit card, and get automatically, once you join, you get automatically the BLW Trading Academy. So this is how you join. If by any chance you need any support, there is a chat box right here. Obviously right now during the weekend, it's closed, but during the weekdays from 7 a.m., well, let me see. It will be from 15 GMT all the way to around, I think like 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. GMT, something like that. Just check on the schedules right here and you will be able to understand what are the times. So make sure that you actually check on that before you join, or if in case you have any questions, you can talk to my chat team and they will be more than happy to help you. Hey, so thank you very much for watching this video. And if you guys have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. And if you found value on the content of this video, please go ahead and smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm. And more importantly, thank you for this entire year of being part of the BLW training room. To me, it's a privilege to have you on board. And more importantly, you are my biggest priority to continue this YouTube channel and to continue improving the BLW training room. I promise you that I will keep on working hard along with my team so that you end up making money. So stay in the BLW family and you will be protected. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and I'll see you on the next one.